Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I'll explain to you how to track a package on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right and go to section My Orders. Now we want to find order that you want to track. Click button Track Order, or also it can say View Details, and now your screen should look something like this. This is a screenshot of tracking information page. So here basically you can see your estimate delivery time, your carrier, tracking number, and of course your shipping updates. So for example, my screenshot says that shipment is ready for dispatch, and also it can say arrived at sorting center, ready for delivery, etc. It depends on at which stage your package currently is. But for example, if you don't like this built-in tracker, you can copy your tracking number using this button and pasting it to Universal Tracker, for example 17 Track website. This is the website Universal Tracker tracking system that AliExpress suggests me to use, but actually it doesn't really matter because all those trackers are working according to similar principle. So if you paste it to that tracker, you can see detailed shipping updates about your package. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.